Let's take a look at pay for group performance. Employers may include group incentives in the organization's compensation plan. Organizations that want employees to focus on efficiency may adopt a gains sharing plan, which measures increases in productivity and effectiveness and distributes a portion of each gain to employees. For example, if a factory enjoys a productivity gain worth $30,000, half of that gain might be the company's share. The other $15,000 would be distributed among employees in the factory. Knowing that they can enjoy a financial benefit for helping the company to be more productive, employees supposedly will look for ways to work more efficiently and improve the way the factory operates. In contrast to gain sharing, which typically rewards the performance of all employees at a facility, bonuses for group performance tend to be for smaller work groups. These bonuses reward the members of a group for attaining a broad range of performance measures, such as cost savings, successful completion of a project, or specific output. Organizations should carefully set goals so that they don't obscure quality, customer service, and ethical behavior.